You ever felt like you're searching for something, peace, purpose, maybe even enlightenment, but it's always just out of reach? Like you're running a race where the finish line keeps moving? I've been there. You meditate, you read the books, you try to be mindful, but that deep, lasting calm, it's like a mirage. Here's the thing, what if the very act of searching is what's blocking you? What if the answer is that you can't find what you're looking for, because it's already here? Let's blow your mind with a 1,000-year-old Zen koan that turns everything upside down. Cyclone. The problem is we're conditioned to think of enlightenment as a destination. Bullseye, you know, like a prize you grab after enough meditation sessions. But that mindset creates a trap. The more you chase, the more you create separation between you and it. Ever noticed how trying to be happy makes you feel less happy? Same deal. In Zen, they call this adding legs to a snake. You're trying to improve something that's already perfect. The problem isn't that you haven't found the Buddha. The problem is you think the Buddha is somewhere else. And that illusion keeps you stuck in a loop of desire. Weary face. Ancient wisdom has the answer, and it's a total paradox. Case 4 of the gateless gate is called the Western barbarian with no beard. That's a reference to the Buddha. The koan asks, why does the Western barbarian have no beard? But here's the twist, the Buddha actually had a beard in many depictions. So what gives? The master says the Buddha cannot be found because he is you. The search is the obstacle. The moment you stop looking, you realize you've been the Buddha all along. It's like trying to find your glasses while they are on your face. Eyeglasses, the wisdom is, don't seek the Buddha, just be the Buddha. Let me tell you a story that proves this. Performing arts, there's a famous Zen tale about a student who asked his master, what is the Buddha? The master replied, the one sitting right there. The student looked around, confused. But that's me, he said. The master smiled. Exactly. See, the student was expecting a golden statue or a celestial being. But the master pointed to the ordinary, the messy, breathing, imperfect human. That's the Buddha. In another story, a monk spent years meditating in a cave, hoping to see the Buddha. One day, a voice said, open your eyes. He did, and saw a spider web with dewdrops. That was it. Enlightenment wasn't a vision. It was the dewdrop. Droplet. So how do you apply this today? It's simple but not easy. Hammer and wrench hash first. When you meditate, don't try to achieve anything. Just sit. Feel your breath. If thoughts arise, let them go. You're not failing, you're practicing being. Second, in daily life, catch yourself when you're chasing. Like when you're scrolling for the perfect video or waiting for the right moment. Instead, ask, what if this moment is it? Third, try this koan, show me your original face before your parents were born. Don't answer with words. Just sit with the question. Let it dissolve your mind. That's mindfulness in action. #hash. Here's the closing reflection. Sunrise, the Buddha cannot be found because he was never lost. You are the one you've been looking for. Every time you breathe, every time you notice the warmth of sunlight or the sound of rain, that's it. The gateless gate isn't a door you open. It's the realization that there was never a door. So stop searching. Start living. If this resonated, drop a comment below. What's one thing you've been chasing that you might already have? Wrap present and subscribe for more mind-bending wisdom. Until next time, be the Buddha. Om symbol #.